All right, I tried to shoot this video before, but it was way too windy and the sound was terrible. No wind today, so let's wrap this thing up. This could be one of the final videos we do of the Tahoe, but let's walk through some of the final results, what we have here. Obviously, if we recap the whole thing, we have a 6-inch BDS lift, and we have the Fox 2.0 shocks. We did the rear disc conversion, a little shop rear disc conversion. I did switch back to solid discs. Everything was slotted and vented and everything, but I pulled those off and went to regular discs. We did 430 gears with limited slip in the rear. The whole rear end's rebuilt. The front, it has 430 as well, all rebuilt, tip to butt. You can even see the freshly painted differential up there. We did do an LS swap. We did paint fixes. This thing was just mashed up and clear coat flaking, and fixed all of that and polished the glass even, cleaned up the rear, replaced the tailgate emblem, didn't polish that off yet, a little bit of polish on there. Full dual 3-inch MagnaFlow stainless exhaust with, oh, I forget the resonators. They're like the speed whatever resonators in the front, in place where the catalytic converters would go, to tone it down. It was loud without the resonators. I mean, it was poppy and loud, and if that's what you want, you know, it did sound cool, but for my neighborhood, not so much. Again, we did fix all the paint. It was there was a paint disaster on this thing. So everything's been fixed to a point. It's not perfect. I mean, there are little pressure dents here and there and some small scratches, maybe. I actually fixed most of them. We fixed the hood. Man, if you go back on the videos when we originally got this thing was a peeled mess. This we did respray the whole thing. New front end pieces. Gosh, let's walk through. The whole interior's been cleaned up from what it was. We did do the double din stereo, and it's going to be hard to see, it's dark in here. The double din. We've got a JL 600 watt amp running Focal K2Ps front. We have Infinity Kappa, forget the model, 6x9s in the rear, also running off of that. I have a 12-inch JL W3 2 sub in here. I've tried the W6 too. It sounds good too, but the W3 in the ported box actually does really well. New headliner. Oh my gosh, I've shampooed the carpets multiple times. They're older. They just are what they are. And then, of course, the big one, the LS swap, when this engine started eating coolant. Also just did another new aluminum radiator. The other one decided to leak on me for whatever reason, but it was in here a little while. I probably damaged it pulling things in and out. New parts all over the place. All over the place. Removed the ABS proportioning valve. New master, new vacuum, new everything. I just need to clean up the wiring a little bit. I got to put the covers back on. I was messing with it to get the AC to work. The AC is the only thing that I have not finished the wiring on. The actual unit does work. I even put new pieces, new hoses and stuff. It worked before I started the project, and I know it still works. I just have to get the wiring correct. The computer was programmed properly to get this to work, and wired right now to where I was told to wire it, but it's still not working. So that's the last piece to fix on this. I mean, we fixed the cruise control, we did everything. Everything works and good to go. And that's it. That's the update, and then we'll be letting it go. We'll be selling it. I've got about 30,000 into it, and I'll probably be selling it for 16, 17,000. I'll be taking a hit, but it is what it is. There you go. That's the full rundown. Hope you enjoyed.